I reviewed the Hollyland Lark M2 mini wireless microphone designed for the iPhone, and after testing it thoroughly, I can confidently say it delivers an impressive balance of portability, performance, and user-friendliness. Right out of the box, the Lark M2 makes a strong first impression. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with everything you need to get started: transmitters, receiver, charging case, and essential accessories. For iPhone users especially, the plug-and-play Lightning receiver is a huge plus. No extra apps, no complicated pairing steps, just plug it in and you're ready to record. When it comes to audio quality, I was genuinely surprised. The microphone captures clear, crisp sound with a natural tone, which is a big step up from the iPhone's built-in mic. Vocals sound full and professional, and even in environments with background noise, the Lark M2 does a good job of keeping the focus on your voice. The noise reduction feature is subtle but effective. It doesn't completely cut out ambient sounds, which is good if you want a natural feel, but it reduces distractions like wind or chatter in the background. Another standout feature is the wireless range and stability. During my test, I walked a considerable distance away from the phone, and the signal remained rock solid with no noticeable dropouts or lag. That's a game changer for vloggers or anyone who films while moving around, since you don't have to worry about being tethered by wires or losing connection mid-recording. Battery life is another area where Hollyland nailed it. Each transmitter and receiver provides hours of recording time, and the included charging case makes it easy to keep everything powered up. This is especially useful for longer shoots, travel vlogging, or all-day content creation sessions. From a design perspective, the clip-on transmitters are tiny but well-built. They don't feel flimsy and they attach securely to clothing without being too bulky or distracting on camera. Hollyland also includes magnetic clips and windshields, which add flexibility depending on your shooting conditions. That said, no product is perfect. If I had to point out a drawback, I'd say the microphone is tuned primarily for voices, so if you're trying to capture ambient soundscapes or musical instruments, it might not give you the depth you'd want. Also, while it's designed specifically for iPhone with the Lightning receiver, it means you'll need an additional adapter if you want to use it with other devices. For most iPhone creators, though, that won't be an issue. Overall, the Hollyland Lark M2 mini wireless microphone for iPhone is an excellent choice for creators, vloggers, podcasters, or anyone who wants to upgrade their mobile content quality. It combines professional-grade sound with true portability, making it one of the best compact wireless mics I've tested in this category. If audio is the missing piece in your iPhone setup, the Lark M2 is absolutely worth considering. It's small, reliable, and most importantly, it makes your videos sound like they were recorded in a studio, without the hassle of extra gear.